All right, so as you can see on this one, you know, you got the old, I don't even really know what this is called, but I'm just going to say the grommet, fiberglass grommet. I don't know if there's a real name for it, but I used to try to use like mastic tape to try to hold it on there while I, you know, screw it on to the housing where it's got to get mounted to. But what I've recently started doing this year was just using, and it might be redundant, but I'll use like fire caulk to seal the piece to here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit around here as well, just to make sure it's really sealed when I put it back on here, because I don't want, you know, any kind of gaps or anything on this. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing that. But this was probably, this is the hardest one to take this panel off of. I've never had this issue, but I'm probably gonna have to reconnect this a little tighter to the evap drain outlet, and then make sure it's tight on that spot too. But there's a lot of gunk in here. Hopefully everything else will run on the system. This was previously diagnosed a couple days ago. Just got it approved and getting the part in today. But again, I'm hoping there's just nothing else wrong with the system after I swap this out. But if there is, we'll figure it out and go from there. So the original one, or at least, I don't know if it's necessarily the original, but the motor I took out didn't have the screw on there. So I wanted to, even though I had put all the panels back on except for this one, I took the little diverter off the exhaust just to make sure this pipe is lined up, and it wasn't originally. So you got on these Goodman gas packs, you got to double check that is going completely flush through the hole, because if not, it's going to hit back here and it's just going to dump into here. And I've had situations where this whole cabinet area gets so hot it does trip that. Obviously it's manually resettable, but I mean, you could end up slightly melting wires together. I mean, it's dumping out hot gases. But I need to strap these wires up too. But that's pretty much really it. Got the thermostat calling for heat now. It's 71, set it to 74. Woo! Great force coming out of there. So far so good. I got my temp probes inside, one at the return, one at a supply duct right on the other side of that sliding door right there. And just real quick while I'm waiting, if anybody looked, if this bag was shown in the video at any point in time, this is not a new tool bag for me. I used to use this as a tool bag, then I slowly upgraded to the TP XXL. Right now this is just my camera bag, and if I remember correctly, I think this is the MB3 or MB2, but this one was a blackout one. Boss, actually, where's the tag for it? Tag is somewhere. I don't want to say the wrong model and it'd be stupid, or I feel stupid. No, I'm pretty sure this is the MB3. I'm pretty sure this is the MB3. Not MB3B or anything like that, just MB3. I am pretty sure. But all that's really in here is just, I got a selfie stick right there if I want to try to take good thumbnail pictures. I got two different types of tripods in here. One that extends about 3.5, 4 feet tall, and then one with little octopus legs or whatever to sit at different angles. And then I have a battery pack in here to charge, you know, in case the GoPro dies and I'm trying to film something real fast, I can get a quick charge off of it. I also have the chest mount piece for filming with the GoPro, and just a USB-C cord. That's really it. But I'd say we're all good here. It's pumping out a lot of heat. Whole unit's vibrating pretty hard. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna walk inside with my carbon monoxide detector, check at some of the vents, make sure nothing's really out of place. But this is an older R22 unit. I think I've been here during the summertime to fill it up with a little, top the charge off a little bit, and clean the condenser coils. The condenser coil was hideous when I was here. That's really about it for this one. I mean, it's not really tripping any other codes right now. It's not shutting the burners off. Everything's doing what it's supposed to do so far. You think it's working? All right, oh, you getting too hot, huh? Yes. That's fine, that's fine. Do you want the whole thermostat off? Do you want to set the cool? No, the whole thing off. Whole thing off, you got it. No problem, no problem. Oh my gosh, he's so adorable. Thank you. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Only thing I can help say is, you know, keep up with changing the filter. If something else goes wrong with it, just give them a call. We'll come out and take care of it. No problem. But you'll be able to make it through these 40-degree nights we've been having. Okay. So I wanted to make sure. Yes, ma'am. You have a great rest of your day. You too. Thank you. No problem. Bye, little man.